In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok without 1,000 followers. If you felt stuck waiting to hit a follower milestone, this walkthrough will help you get moving by setting up a TikTok business account, which unlocks helpful tools for creators doing affiliate work. Start by opening the TikTok app and signing in or creating an account if you're brand new. From the home screen, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your personal space where you can manage settings and prepare your account for business features. Next, go into your account settings. You'll see an option to switch account types. Choose Switch to Business Account. This change is important because a business account can provide access to features like analytics, a more professional profile, and, in some regions, the ability to add certain business details that support affiliate marketing. It also signals to brands that you're ready to collaborate professionally. TikTok will guide you through a series of screens. Simply follow along and tap Next as prompted. You'll be asked to choose a category that best represents what you create. Pick the niche that aligns most closely with your content and the types of products you plan to recommend. This helps TikTok understand your focus and can make your profile look more credible to viewers and potential partners. You'll then be prompted to add a business email. Use a professional, dedicated email you can monitor regularly. Keeping this separate from your personal inbox makes you easier to reach and helps you stay organized when affiliate opportunities start coming in. Depending on your region and TikTok's current requirements, you may be asked to submit necessary documents to verify your account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Make sure any photos or scans are clear, all details are accurate, and the information matches your account. Verification reviews can take time, so be patient and avoid resubmitting unless the app specifically asks you to. Once that's complete, your business setup is done and you're ready to start your affiliate journey on TikTok, even without 1,000 followers. From here, focus your content on genuine value. Explain why a product helps, show it in action, and always follow TikTok's policies and local disclosure rules when promoting affiliates. Keep your category consistent, respond to questions via your business email, and use the insights available in your business account to learn what resonates. That's it. Simple steps, professional setup, and you're ready to grow.